All right, folks, so today we're going to change out the thermistor on an LG Tromm washer. This is about a 15-year-old washer here in 2021. And we've, for a while now, been dealing with that dreaded TE error code on the front panel. Usually I could get it to go away just by reaching under the machine and wiggling the wiring harness, but I finally got tired of dealing with it. So it is literally an $8 part and about 15 minutes of time to get it swapped out. So that's what we're going to do. If you do enough Google searching for the TE problem on these LG Tromm machines, you're going to find that a lot of the so-called professional directions and websites tell you that you have to disassemble half the machine just to get to it. I do not understand that. I think what they're doing is they're working under the assumption that folks have these machines installed in a place where they cannot get them tipped over. But if you have the space and the strength to do so, I strongly recommend just tipping the machine on its back. That's what you see that I have right here. The machine is just laying on its back and the bottom is wide open, as you can see. And this is the standard design. There's nothing fancy about my machine versus yours. So just lay it on its back, save yourself the aggravation of having to disassemble the machine. And what you're looking at right here is the thermistor. It is right here. So all you have to do, I'm going to do this one-handed. All you have to do is pull this connector apart, right? Just squeeze these two tabs right here, pull it out, and then the thermistor itself is seated inside this grommet. And as you can see, I just pulled that out with my fingers. There's no bolts holding it, nothing. I'm going to take the new one that I have staged here already ready to go. And we're going to drop it in like so. And I'm real sorry for not having my camera on a tripod for this, but this is, as I said, such a quick and simple repair. As you can see, I'm doing it one-handed. So I don't understand this this method of disassembling half the machine to do this repair. But that's it, we're done. What was that, about 60 seconds worth of work after all my yakking? So there you go, folks. I'll put a link for the thermistor part in the description of the video below. And this is real short and sweet. I hope this helped y'all. Peace.